Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Zelle on Capital One app. So, in order to do this, first open Capital One mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure your checking account is active because Zelle works through eligible checking accounts inside the app. Now, once you're on the home dashboard, look for the Pay and Transfer or Money Movement section. Tap on it to access all payment features available inside the Capital One application. Now, inside Pay and Transfer, tap on Send Money with Zelle to start the setup process. If you're using it for the first time, the app will ask you to enroll your phone number or email. Enter your email or US mobile number and verify it using the code sent to you. Then choose the Capital One checking account you want to link with Zelle. Now, tap Send and select a contact. Enter the amount and review the details carefully. Confirm the payment and the money will usually be sent within minutes to the recipient. Now, after you do this, you can use Zelle directly inside the Capital One app. No separate Zelle app is required. And setup usually takes only a few minutes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that like button. And I will see you in the next video.